BERG has more than 30 years of experience in developing, producing and selling active outdoor playtime pleasure. BERG Pedal Go Karts have been developed with great attention and care. This resulted in qualitative excellent pedal go-karts, which are safe to use. It does not matter which one you choose quality with a BERG Pedal Go Kart. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Fourth wheel for stability at all times. The BERG Buzzy remains firmly on the ground thanks to the 4 off-road wheels and swing axle. On this Buzzy, your child can tackle any terrain. Number 2. BERG Buzzy versus a tricycle. On a tricycle, the pedals are attached to the front wheel. Fortunately, this is not the case with the Buzzy Go Kart. As a result, you can set off safely and quickly. Number 3. Adaptable to body length. Grows with you due to the adjustable steering wheel and saddle, making the Buzzy suitable for children from 2 to 5. Number 4. Super easy to ride with direct drive. The direct drive system makes pedaling supple and light. In the Buzzy, you can tear through puddles, plow through sand and venture into wooded areas effortlessly. Number 5. Get your first pedal experience on a BERG Buzzy. This super cool sensation on 4 wheels is much more stable than a 3-wheeler. Your feet remain firmly on the pedals even round sharp corners. Number 6. The size of the BERG Buzzy and its EVA tires make it suitable for indoor and outdoor use. Even the rain will not stop you from having lots of fun with your go-kart. The BERG Buzzy is suitable for children aged 2 to 5. Number 7. Thanks to its 4 wheels, the BERG Buzzy has excellent stability. Because tricycles have 1 wheel less, they are far less stable. Number 8. Unlike a tricycle, the pedals and the handlebars of the Buzzy can be operated independently. This ensures that the pedals do not move when steering and the feet remain firmly on the pedals at all times. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.